Hi guys, my name is Ashwita and thank you for watching Ash with an A. Today you and me are going to be talking about the annoying types of people we meet in every function. Oh, do you have relatives who ask you about your grades? Do. And do you have relatives who ask you when you're getting married? Me too. And do relatives ask you why you're so skinny? No? Oh. Because we all have annoying relatives, so why not put them in the video? So, let's go! Now, the first type of people are the loners. Now, it doesn't make any difference if they come for the function or they don't come for the function, because even if they do, no one realizes, because they're in the corner of the room doing something like this. Like, even if they're not in the function, no one is going to find out, because they barely talk, they don't dance, and no one even realizes if they've eaten or they've not eaten, because they are always in that same position on that same place. Now, the next type of people are the hoggers. Now, these type of people have no idea which function they've come for. They have no idea which music is playing. They don't give a damn about anything, because their mind is only on one thing: food. Hey man, I heard you went for that wedding. How was it? Arey, what wedding that was, man. You know, for starters, only for starters, there was chicken 65, there was chicken lollipop.
There was kebab, there were like 2 types of kebab. There was spring rolls, which was okay, but it was still amazing, okay? For dinner, there was chicken fried rice, there was chicken tikka, there was chicken sukka, there was chicken manchurian, there was so many types of chicken, and even there were mutton. And there was like, for veg also, there were like so many options. If you would have come, you would have enjoyed, because there was paneer, there was potato, there was mushroom, there was everything. And for dessert, that's the best bucket dessert. There was gulab jamun, there was gajar ka halwa, there was ice cream, there was chocolate ice cream. Chocolate ice cream is like my all-time favorite ice cream. Like, how can you not have chocolate ice cream? But they had chocolate ice cream, and I had like half of it. It was amazing.
Okay, I love chocolate ice cream. And also the chicken tikka, amazing. And who was the bride? But the dum biryani, too good. And they have no idea why they've even come. They don't even know whose function it is, but they'll know the menu by heart. Literally. The next type of people are the buffet people. And also the title is horrible, I know, but let's just get to the point. I don't even want to talk about the title part. Now, these type of people, you'll always find them near the buffet counter, and they're always trying out something or the other from the menu. But when you ask them how the food was, this is what they're going to say. Food though was okay, it was not so bad, but you know, you should have ordered from Foodlink caterers, because they have so many varieties in non-veg, in veg, also in desserts. They have like many things, and they always come up with new recipes. And their per plate cost now is so much better, and it's so much affordable than any other caterers, as I've noticed. Okay, but it's still nice. It's not like very bad or something, but I think the salt was a bit too less. I'm just saying, and you know, that one chicken tikka was like way too spicy, just saying. But otherwise food was like, okay, it was not so bad. And you're just there like, the moment, what are you doing here? But let's be real, we are really nice people, and this is only in our mind, because outside we cannot show such emotions. So we are just like, now the next type of people are the price tag people. And I know you have them in your list, because they're in everyone's list. They're like in all the functions. And let's be real, without them you never know what's the price of anything. What's the price of their clothes, what's the price of their sandals. Who knows? Let's find out. Arey Madhuri, how are you? I'm fine. Did you see Sam's clothes? Oh my god, they were horrible. I'm telling you, it was not for more than 1,000, because I would not pay, 3,000-4,000 for that, honestly. Okay, and by the way, how is my sari? I got it for 10,000, It's Manish Malhotra's. It's a designer. It's amazing. Okay, you should really go to their shop. And if you take my name, you'll get discount also, because like I know the salesperson, so it's okay. Like I took mascara and all that, and he gave it for like 10,000. Otherwise, it was for like 15,000. Can you believe it? But then also, I got like these sandals, okay, but I'm not going to wear it today, obviously, because they are like crystals on it, so I'm saving it for my daughter's wedding. But those were for 10,000. Also, my sister-in-law got me these bangles, okay, from Dubai. Oh my god, it is so beautiful. I will show you one day when you come. And you have to come for my daughter's wedding, huh? Yeah, if you come across these aunties, it's like a warning. You should go away from them, like as far as possible, because they are going to tell you the price starting from their sari, their bangles, to their sandals, to their hairdo, to their makeup, everything. So if you want to save yourself some time, you should probably just run and never attend their functions ever. The next type of people are the over enthusiastic people, and they're always on the floor. Okay, they'll be dancing from the beginning to the end. Even if they don't understand the music, they don't care because they're always on the floor. They're going to do something like this. And don't tell me you've never come across these people, or you're just like, there's no such people like that. I am one of them. Yes. Like, honestly, if I was Cinderella, I would never go back at 12. I'd just be like, yo, prince, come here, hold my shoes. Because I need to dance. This is like my jam going on right now. Like, who cares about fairy tale? I need to dance. There ain't no 12 o'clock going to stop me. So these are the types of annoying people you meet in every annoying function. And if I've missed some of them, make sure you put them in the comment section below. Also, if you have any suggestions for my next video, you can email me. My email is in the description below. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also, share my video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So, see you next time. Bye-bye.